There is an enormous industry underwater. It's responsible for everything from the internet to our house, to the energy that we bring to our homes and our cars, and even the food that we eat. And what I'd realized was we had developed technologies at NASA that were directly applicable to altering the landscape of how work would be performed in the ocean economy. Aquanaut is the most intelligent and, frankly, the happiest robot in the ocean.
Aquanaut is basically a transformer, not too unlike the transformers in the cartoons you're used to. We translated a lot of the software and technology that we used in spaceflight robotics and kind of marinized it. We basically sealed it up so that it wouldn't leak, and you could put it underwater and put it deep into the ocean and do similar robotic stuff that we were doing for spaceflight.
Certainly space has been romanticized quite a bit in movies and media, but working in the subsea domain has been something of an eye-opening activity for myself in terms of the tangible benefits, because it's not outside of our Earth, external to our Earth, it's part of our Earth.
Aquanaut gives us the ability to work underwater as almost like an avatar for humans.
It's got arms, so you can touch and pick up objects and turn valves.
And the software that we have allows us to do that intelligently from very remote locations.
Being an all-electric vehicle and having all the autonomy capability enables us to lower the carbon footprint of doing operations in the ocean.
The ocean is the backbone for our planet, and utilizing it and using it as a resource is very, very important. We are really burgeoning as far as a company, and the talent that we have here is second to none.
I think the ocean is the biggest unexplored area on the planet, and it's going to be the focus, I think, of the next generation.
I like to have our presence be a household name, our robot be a household name.
We have 75 people, all from around the industry, and 25 former NASA roboticists, all united in this challenge to bring about this change in the ocean economy.
Nauticus is ambitious, forward-thinking, and Nauticus is persistent.
Innovative, relentless, scrappy.
Groundbreaking, exceptional, and exciting.
Fun, rigorous, passionate.
Revolutionary, dynamic, and unbounded.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.